you've been shooting talking head videos like this one, or you're looking for a light for small productions, this one might just be the one. So this is the Amaran Halo 200X. Really cool light, very small, very compact, no ballast, and really quick to set up. So this is a 200-watt light by color. You can dial it in to match the daylight outside or some of those warmer lights inside. I've been using this light for talking head videos over the last couple of months. This was sent to me for review by a distributor for Amaran. Full disclosure, I get to keep the light for a review. There was no script, however, so I'm able to tell you exactly what I think of this light. So one of the simplest setups that I have here is basically a 42-inch octabox with a grid, which is just here and camera left. And that's it. Nice soft light. Don't see any flicker or anything like that. It just does the job relatively quickly. Now this light has no ballast, which is great. So there's simply just one cord coming out of the back. Really simple and easy for quick setups. Now, being 200 watts, there's some limitations obviously to what and how much it can light, but for talking heads where the light is literally a hand away from your face, I think I'm only at about 30% and the light's doing just fine. Very easy to dial in terms of temperature as well as intensity. Now, this also works great with the Amaran app, which you're able to do and make those changes right from your phone. Who's this light for? Creators, any type of small production. This could be a nice hair light. It could be a nice light in a darker environment. Again, this is not going to compete with your 600 or 1200 lights. This one is just right. It's priced relatively well, very inexpensive, very reliable from what I've been able to tell. Now in the past I have used and I still have my Amaran 200X. So this is a nice little upgrade with just different trim, different settings, a little bit more of an updated version to the old one. Size difference. Here's the difference between the old and the new. Now, forgot to mention, this one does come with a ballast. So you've got something that resembles a very large computer power adapter at the end of this one, while the new one just has one cord coming out the back. So the setup is very, very simple. This light also features a few different effects, such as lightning, flickering lights, and so on, if you ever need any of those types of effects. But for the most part, this is pretty simple. Bi-colored light, 200 watts, put a modifier on and you're set. I would be using this light for small setups, talking head YouTube videos like this one here, maybe some kicker lights for video productions, anything in a darker environment. This will perform really, really well. Really cool, small light, easy setup, Bowens mount. There's not much more to say. No, literally, there's nothing else to say. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next video.